My name is Charles Martin, and I'm the CEO and President of JLM Industrials. We specialize in railroad locomotives. We would like to formally submit our bid for the 50 locomotives you're looking at having built. The price for these will be $150 million, $3 million each, and we will be providing 25,000 horsepower units to you. Now you might be asking yourself, that's about the same price as any other competitor out there. What makes JLM Industrials better than any of the other companies? Well, one of the things that we've done here is that we have outsourced strategic areas of our business to specific companies to maximize profit, to increase quality, to give you the best product that we can. Currently, we operate and are based out of the United States, but most of our manufacturing is conducted in China and Germany with engineering support in India. Now, with our proposal, what we plan on doing is procurement and management will be conducted in the United States. Engineering and customer support will be conducted in India. Labor and raw materials will be delivered and produced out of China, and final assembly and delivery will be in Germany, which is where you need these products. Now, one of the reasons that we do this is that we can save money by going to India for the engineering and customer service support. An engineer in India is about the fifth of the cost as an engineer in the United States. Also, we use labor and raw materials coming out of China, which helps save us on cost. And then the craftsmanship of the final assembly and delivery out of Germany helps give you the quality product that you deserve. Something that we've done to ensure quality throughout the process of manufacturing these locomotives is we've implemented Six Sigma lean manufacturing throughout all of our facilities. Whether it's procurement, management, engineering, labor, anything that we do, we operate trying to drive out defects. Now, since we operate in many different countries, we do come across some cultural barriers that need to be addressed. Something that we offer our workforce is any employee has the ability to go through the Rosetta Stone program so that they can learn another language. Something else that we offer is cultural intelligence training for all of our employees. The main thing that we're trying to get across with our employees is to help them understand the difference between an Eastern and a Western mindset, since we do business in the United States, Germany, India, and China. The Eastern way of thought is more of a collectivist. The immediate family is very important. Success is thought of in terms of a broader group setting. They also have a polychronic relationship with time. Time is not a commodity and is thought of as infinite. Furthermore, the Eastern mindset can be thought of in terms of the external locus of control. In other words, the events of life are largely predestined, and there are limits to the individual. This way of thought lends itself to an indirect high context thinking. This is why whenever you set up a business dinner or any other meeting, you must be very careful whom you invite and where each person is sitting during the meeting. The smallest detail will convey a message to the other party. Finally, when analyzing this culture, it is important to look at power distance. This mindset has a high power distance. People understand their status and power and are accepting of it. Seniority, age, and titles are very important. Now, this is in stark contrast to the Western mindset. The Western mindset is more individualistic. Success is thought of in terms of the individual. No matter what your situation in life is, a person can achieve success through their own hard work and their work ethic. People of this mindset have a monochromic relationship with time. Time is valuable and not limitless. Additionally, the Western mindset has an internal locus of control. The individual has the ability to succeed or fail based on their own accord. The mindset is also direct, low context. This would help explain why you might see people socializing outside of their typical work environment. People of this culture tend to have a lower power distance, and titles and seniority are not as important. Now, some of the cultural intelligence training that we do is we provide all of our staff free of charge a book called Understanding Global Cultures. This book right here is great for helping people understand the metaphors that each culture has, and it kind of helps people wrap their mind around the different cultures. This book right here is the 5th edition, and it was written by Gannon and Pillai. And one of the things that it does is it'll match up something in life, such as the German symphony, with how that relates to the German culture. Or another instance would be for America, how here in the U.S. we're much like American football. In conclusion, I think that you'll find that our bid is very competitive at a low price point, and we will be able to give you the quality that you are looking for with this locomotive purchase. I hope by taking the time to explain our supply chain and our engineering support throughout different countries that you have a better grasp of how working throughout different countries of the world together can provide you a low-cost product that's high quality and on time, every time. One of the things that we've discussed about is the different mindsets of Eastern and Western culture, and how here at JLM Industrials, we're doing everything we can to help bridge that gap between the different mindsets, because each person comes to the table with their own preconceived notions. And it's not that one culture is necessarily better or more right than the other, but we have to understand our differences and respectfully agree to disagree on some items that we cannot agree on. Now, through our training with our employees, I think we've done a very good job of this. People are better able to understand each other, and this really helps with our work environment. All of this combined, the complete package, is why JLM Industrials will provide you the best product possible. And I want to thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing the response from the bid that we've submitted today. Thank you, and good day.